Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use promo codes on Pocket Option. So first thing you need to do is go to Google website and search Pocket Option and then open this first website, pocketoption.com. Then it will take you to the home page of Pocket Option website. So from here you can register if you don't have any account, but if you already have account you can simply log in. So let me just log in. After you log in, this is how your dashboard going to look like. From here you just need to click on this finance option, and from here simply click on this promo code option, and on this page you will see all your available promo codes which you can use and get benefit from it. And if you have any other promo code from here, you can simply enter it and it will automatically apply. To check any available promo code, simply click on this check button and then it will show you all the details and what benefits you will get. To activate, simply click on this activate button and your promo code will be activated. So that's all you need to do to use promo codes on Pocket Option. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.